No, I was gonna give up and not go under the bridge, but I'm not one for quitting or finishing out this video. So we're gonna go ahead and take the motor off. Easy enough. Pretty sure I could get under that one. So I'll put the motor back on. And this is Flagler Avenue in Key West, Florida, if you were wondering. So yes, it can get under, even on a high tide. Let's finish it out.
I said, hold up, jump on into the back if you're riding far. We need to argue just to disagree, we'll find peace quicker. Sometimes they matter, but we act like a fire. And when time we